This is the tunnel trap, otherwise known as the Duffus trap, which is used to trap moles. It's a double-ended trap, meaning that if the mole comes from either direction, there's a trapping mechanism on each end of the trap. And occasionally, because there are two mechanisms, you can catch two moles, which is called a double. To make the trap more effective, and in particular more humane, there are one or two adjustments we would recommend that you make. One of these adjustments is this small hook here. Another adjustment is the width of the trap. Those adjustments are made before the trap is set. But the most important adjustment is the trigger. Where this trigger mechanism actually interfaces with the hook, there are some small adjustments to make once the trap is set. The best way to do this is to set the trap first, to judge the distance between the trigger and the trapping loop. It's important that the trigger loop is moved forward, as that determines where on the mole you will trap it. When the mole reaches the trigger, if we don't have it set properly, that loop will close around its stomach or its hip area. For that very clean, humane kill, you need the trigger loop bent forward, so when it triggers, you'll get the loop closing around the chest area, which will be a very quick and humane kill. This is the most important adjustment to be made. There are other minor adjustments that can be made, and these are shown during our trapping courses. Please see our website for details or contact us for further information. To position the trap, you need to first probe for the mole's run. Then once you've dug your hole to the trap size, you need to introduce the trap initially to mark out where the trapping loops go, and then groove the hole where the loops sit. Drop the trap back in and simply cover with soil, making sure to block out any sunlight. Finally, you need to mark the location of the trap. For further details on our traps and trapping courses, contact Killgerm.